Tesla Giga Berlin's first Model Y coming out of production. What's next? Tesla has dominated the car industry with innovative technologies like introducing artificial intelligence to its automobiles and futuristic car designs. The automobile company aims to produce electric vehicles at a global scale to make for a better tomorrow. So it comes as no surprise that we just spotted the next best thing fresh out of production at Tesla's Giga Berlin factory. Hey everyone, and welcome to Tesla News, where we bring you the newest and best updates about Tesla and Elon Musk. Today, we'll talk about the new Model Y Tesla that's been spotted outside the Giga Factory Berlin. What's more, we'll give you updates on more upcoming models and their release dates. The idea of the Tesla Model Y was teased around extensively in the public eyes, and people were given sneak peeks of the car's silhouette. Tesla decided to give the people what they wanted and announced the Model Y on March 14, 2019. The initial production of the Model Y started in Fremont. However, the two factories slated for the production of the Model Y would be the new Gigafactories, namely Giga Berlin and Giga Texas. So, you can imagine the surprise on YouTuber and Tesla loyalist Tobias Lind's face when he spotted 3 Tesla Y models outside the Gigafactory Berlin plant while shooting a flyover video on November 17th. This brings us to the question, what do we know about the production of the Model Y at the Gigafactory so far? Well, Tesla is still waiting for the final permit, which would give them the necessary approval needed to start the production of the electric cars. But that hasn't stopped Tesla from creating the Model Y series, which unfortunately for testers is still in pre-production. With regards to how this car would perform on the road, it's safe to say that the Model Y is an affordable automobile as compared to the Model M, and it has more space than the Model 3 series. But guess what? They included a tad bit of new features. The Model Y comes with a heat gun instead of electric resistance for receiving heat in the interior cabin and battery preconditioning. Since the introduction of the heat pumps, this feature has been added to other models, along with additional features like the chrome delete trim. The Model Y is said to have 2 dual motors, AEWD designs for long range and performance. The long-range Model Y EPA estimate is 326 miles on a single charge. With this model, you can reach a top speed of 135 miles per hour and switch from 0 to 68 miles per hour in as little as 4.8 seconds. In performance, Model Y has an EPA estimate of 303 miles only, which is lesser than the long-range model. But here's the catch. The model makes up for it in terms of reaching a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The performance model can shift from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Recently, there's been a rumor going around about the 400-mile range Model Y. This is due to the company signing off new versions of the EV to the Chinese government. However, hate to burst your bubble, but this rumor has been exaggerated. With respect to its features and design, Elon Musk took to a public platform in the summer of 2020 and announced that the Model Y, whenever the production starts in Giga Berlin, would have a radical redesign of the previous EVs that were manufactured. Tesla's unibody casting machine, known as the Megacast or Gigapress, has combined the front and rear of the frame into one single cast design made of molten aluminium. The process is already in place at Fremont, but will take a little longer in Giga Factory Berlin. However, the team has already tested the design at the Giga Texas factory. Another unique feature of the Model Y series is its 7-seater options, similar to its older sibling, the Model X. The plan of the 7-seater model was promised by Tesla by including the 3rd row to the model, even before the announcement of the Model Y series. But due to this feature being hyped up, many of their customers had to wait indefinitely for the following one. Eventually, Tesla did include a 7-seater option on their website in December 2020. That being said, the 7-seater option is only available for the long-range trim. However, the downside is that there isn't enough legroom for the 3rd row passengers. So, how much does the Tesla Model Y cost? There isn't a fixed price for the model, as it depends on the trim you choose and the add-ons. To understand the cost of how much the model is, let's compare the high and low end of both variants. The Model Y long-range price starts at $54,990 and can go as high as $73,990, including all the add-ons. This includes the red paint, white interiors, 20-inch induction wheels, tow hitch, 7 seats and a full self-driving FSD ability. The Model Y performance range starts from $61,990 without all the add-ons and can go as high as $75,990, including all of the previously mentioned features as well as 21-inch Uber turbine wheels. Down to the main question, how long would it take to charge your car? Just like how car prices vary with each variant, similarly many factors affect how fast or slow your ride can charge. But generally, here is the rundown of how long it takes to charge your Model Y Tesla. AC level, 110 to 120 volt outlet at home, 20 to 40 hours. DC fast charger level 3, 480 volts plus. Third-party chargers / Tesla supercharger, 15 to 25 minutes. Needless to say, Tesla's supercharger network charges the car quickly and helps you head out to your destination quicker. If you've planned an impromptu long drive or need to head into town to do some errands, but it's not advisable to use the supercharger network's massive direct current for daily charging. Tesla recommends charging your car at home with level 2 whenever necessary. So, obviously, charging your car will take a lot of electricity. So the next question is, how much is it going to cost to do so? It depends on which state you live in, the level of charge required, and at what time of day you're charging your car. We're going to break down how much does it cost at home versus charging your car on Supercharge. At home, the Model Y has a 74 kWh battery attached to the car. It will cost $12.35 for your battery to fully charge in the US alone. The Tesla Roadster has also been in talks lately. It's an all-electric battery-powered 4-seater all-wheel drive sports car. It will be capable of 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 97 kilometers per hour in 1.9 seconds, which is quicker than any other. The Roadster is the successor to Tesla's first production car, which was the 2008 Roadster. It's set to hit the roads in 2023. It looks like Tesla already has its stage set for a few big launches coming up in the near future. If you liked our video on Model Y coming out of production, you might also want to watch our take on new Tesla Model X in 2022, Tesla Model X Played 2022 review. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see ya in the next video.